Welcome to RoboRails&Tails. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We caught a glimpse of steam locomotive number 5239, nicknamed Goliath. Goliath was built at Swindon in 1924. It was based at Neath until 1963. It was then withdrawn and sent to Barry Scrapyard until 1973. Goliath was then purchased by the Dartmouth Valley Railway and then arrived at Newton Abbot in June 1973. After restoration work had taken place, Goliath then moved to Paignton, where it returned to steam in 1976. We then rushed to Goodrington to catch Goliath's return journey to Paignton. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching!